Brother at your side. I'm here, next to me is Dean Shulman. Dean, tell me about Brother and some of the things you have going on.
Well, we're really excited. As you know, Brother has been in the business more than 100 years. And although we started in sewing and embroidery, our main business today is printing. We print on fabric with our embroidery machines. We print on paper with our multifunction machines. And we also do digital garment printing. And that's what we want to talk about, because that's really Brother's core technology today, is really understanding the overall digital garment printing. We've been doing this now for 7 years with our first generation, and we've been so successful. But now it's time to introduce the next level of digital garment printing, and we're really excited with the new Graffitee series.
And tell me more about that Graffitee series that I know is so exciting.
Well, we chose Graffitee because we wanted to have that sense of creativity, because today it's all about customization and people wanting something unique in a t-shirt. So we introduced Graffitee here, which has a very small footprint for this industry, and we've now introduced the ability to do up to 1200 DPI.
Wow.
Which is, again, much, much better than our previous generation. The other unique part about this is the ability to not worry about obsolescence. You can go in and actually start your business today and not worry about the next few years. Why? Because we've built this as 3 separate models. The base model for Graffitee is usually using the CMYK. The step-up model from that adds 2 white print heads. And the step up from that gives you a total of 4 white print heads and CMYK for a total of 8 print heads. Now, you can buy those configured from the beginning or start with the base model, and when you're ready to enter into the white market printing, simply upgrade your unit. And that's one of the best aspects of it. It's also low cost to operate, it's easy to use. We've also given you the ability not to have to connect it to a PC, so for demos in your store and others, you can go right from a USB stick directly into the product. And I think that's one of the real novelties for this type of product is ease of use, the ability to upgrade and avoid that concept of, oh, am I buying the right machine? But more importantly, it's buying it from the right company.
So when are people going to be able to get their hands on the Graffitee series?
Well, overall, the reaction's been unbelievable to this product. And I think one of the important parts I want to make is about Brother as a company. I mentioned earlier about our 100-year history and our expertise in printing. Well, one of the unique parts is we're the only manufacturer that I know of that actually makes our own print head, manufactures our own printer, provides our own rip, and our specially formulated inks are specific for Graffitee. And I think that's important. We had a great outpouring of results today from the dealers who looked at this product. The pricing's right, the features are right. And again, if you need anything, you can simply go to our website at www.brother.com or graffitee.com, or check on the screen for the local number and check out the local dealer near you. So we're really excited about this, and I think here at ISS, the dealers were really excited.
Well, you have so many great customers who can vouch for Brother. Let's see what they have to say. Well, I'm here with a loyal Brother customer. Next to me is Bob from Coastal Print Works. Bob, tell me how long you've been a customer of Brother.
Oh, I've been a customer for over 10 years, and you know, we have 2 782 printers, and it's very productive and you know, a great company.
Well, you've been a loyal customer for 10 years now. What keeps you coming back?
Well, the fact that we, over the 10 years, have had absolutely no maintenance problems on the machines. The machines seem to just like run themselves, and we are museum quality screen printing. We print for over 50 museums throughout the country and internationally, and you know, we're able to reproduce masters on the t-shirts with 100% reproduction.
And you had talked to me about the quality of their equipment. You call it something specific. Do you remember what you called it? Something about the best product that's out there on the market?
Oh, definitely the best product on the market. You know, we definitely you know, produce shirts that nobody else in the country produces. What we do is we, you know, like I say, we do print for museums. So, and also for, like, we printed the shirts for the Oscars last year, and we're going to do it again this year. And we just do a lot of like work in the movie industry, and what, you know, and what it is quick turnaround, fast reproductions, and we're able to do them 100% to what the client is asking for.
Now, what do you see as the benefits of the new Graffitee series?
Well, the Graffitee series, you know, seems to be a machine that will, you know, go up to a higher resolution, which means that we will have like a 1200 DPI compared to 600 DPI resolution, which increases the photo quality of the actual print.
And what impact has the Graffitee series had on your business?
Well, what it does is it allows us to reproduce 100% the image, and you get vivid colors like that are on here, and the colors are just like, you know, phenomenal. They're you know, very bright, very vivid. The shirt I'm wearing is an example of you know, the quality of the digital printing off the Graffitee.
Terrific, Bob. Thank you for talking to us. Let's check out what another customer has to say. Well, I'm here with another Brother customer, Paul Medina from Cali-Fame. Tell me how long you've been working with Brother.
We've been using the Brother system for 2 years.
And what's your experience been like so far?
It's been great. We've actually incorporated direct-to-garment printing into our 2012 catalog for promotional headwear. We are about an 80-year-old company. We do made in America products, we do American-made headwear, and we do overseas production. But we incorporate the direct-to-garment printing into our headwear program. We basically print on panels, so we can print directly onto a panel and then construct that into a cap, or we can actually print onto a finished product from the bill up into the crown.
And how have your Brother products helped you in that?
Oh, it's been ideal, because what we can do is we can do like a cross media, so you can show an embroidery and we can show a direct-to-garment printing onto a product, and then we use it onto a headwear, onto apparel such as a shirt or a sweatshirt, or even promotional items like tote bags.
Now, how will the Graffitee series help you in your business?
Well, the Graffitee series, it's really simple. So it's a simple interface. It's a 1200 DPI, and I think ideally it'll be something that we can incorporate for any end user or any type of employee can use that, especially for our headwear program, where we can take that attachment, place it on there, and it's kind of it's a two-head pass, so you can do a CMYK as well as a white kind of simultaneous print.
Now, in the 2 years that you've been with Brother, how have they followed up with you along this venture?
Oh, it's been beneficial for the last 2 years. I mean, like I say, we're an 80-year-old company, so incorporating that into our headwear program, and Brother coming in anytime we had any problems, or maybe looking at an attachment and incorporate that in the headwear, it's been great. So I think, like I say, making headwear, whether it's here in the United States or overseas, we kind of take that simplicity with the direct-to-garment printing and put it right onto a hat.
Do you think you're going to be a loyal Brother customer for a long time to come?
Yeah, we've incorporated that program. I mean, direct-to-garment into our, into our business for the last several years, and I see it for the future. At least hopefully the next 80 years we're in business.
Wonderful. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you.
Wow, well, some great things that we've heard from customers about Brother. Dean, how can everybody get a hold of you?
Very simple. They can just go to brother.com or graffitee.com, and that's spelled Graffitee, just like t-shirt.
And it's on your screen, so check them out, go online, or call them at the number you see on your screen.